It's a beautiful, it's a perfect morning to go for a walk. Wow. Just lovely. Good morning. Hey y'all. We are finishing up phase 1 of our trip, but guys, it's already been so great, and it's only been what, maybe 48 hours.
Yeah. Today's gonna be a busy day though. We're very excited for this.
Yep.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
We've got some great things coming your way today, and so just come along with us. We're gonna take the girls, do some more new stuff today. We've got to transfer our luggage to Polynesian. We're gonna do that today, and then we're hoping to get in a little water park while our room's getting ready, and we're gonna explore the Polynesian today. We cannot wait to take you guys along. This is gonna be awesome.
May try the outlets again. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
See how that goes.
Maybe.
We want to get outside the bubble.
I know. But we're gonna take a little.
First, coffee.
Yeah, we need coffee. That's really why we're out here. We're on the coffee run. But guys, it's just so beautiful. Yeah, we're really on the coffee run. That's the primary objective of this little adventure here. But
it's been nice. This little tropical depression or whatever this is has a bunch of wind.
Yeah.
Even though it's hot, but the wind's blowing 10 to 20 miles an hour, so there's a really nice breeze going on.
Yeah, you just get these little steady gusts and stuff. But well, we're going to take you along. We're just going on a little walk this morning around Port Orleans Riverside. So maybe not a lot of talking, but we're going to do some walking and just want to bring you guys with us. And we're just relaxing and taking in the last of this resort before we head out.
Those lizards are everywhere.
I know, they really are. So, all right, I'm going to flip y'all around, but we're just going to... One thing too, you can find these hammocks along the pathways, and there's so many of them, but they just build in these little places that you can just relax and get. And you've got the fishing hole.
Oh yeah, let's go down here.
I know. We didn't do that yesterday. I'm gonna go see. Oh, there's somebody out here. Oh. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. It's fine.
It's already up and running. Oh, very cool.
Yeah, all the times we've stayed there, I don't think we've come over here and looked at it.
I mean, you could if you want to, you know? Go wake the girls up for 30 minutes. Hey.
I'll let them sleep. We got a busy day today. And an even busier day tomorrow.
Yeah, that's really cute right there.
Part of the canal system, see that?
Oh, it is. It's just like a little... They just created their own little fishery, their own little pond. Wow.
They can control the narrative in there.
Well, I mean, honestly, I love that. Means you want to have a good time.
No, it's yeah. Could manage the fish population.
Good morning. Hello.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
It's a good start to the second day of the trip.
Yes.
It's really the third day if you count travel day.
Yeah. Count it as a day. Well, because we get down here to make it a day. Old Man Island. This pool is really great. We had a great time last night doing the pool. Yeah. Hey, I wanted to walk. Do you want to walk around? Yeah.
Okay.
So fun. I love that right there. Just a little look around the resort. Man, sure is nice on this beautiful day. I said it's nice on this beautiful day. And I'm gonna get on this side.
We can all sit beside Daddy. Go kart! Go kart!
Man, just a nice little morning right here.
No.
Here's a look at the pool with nobody here. Guys, so when you come, this is the pool. They've got a hot tub over there to the far left. And it's not a lazy river, but it's just kind of like a roundabout with a little bit deeper. But they've got where water will stream out in like a little waterfall area. And then the water slide is really great. Scarlett loved that water slide. And there's lots of chairs. There's even like a really nice little small child little kiddie pool section, but where if you've got little toddlers, it's got like seating around it and everything, so you can really enjoy. And then off to the right over there, that's the Muddy Rivers bar, and you can get all kinds of little libations and things. So it really is a beautiful pool space, and at night it was really fun. We've had a great time at this pool. So all right, we're gonna keep walking.
I should do this every day.
Yeah, because they'll
I love too on the pool. It looks like you're gonna like fling right out the ends, like the illusion of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can just take some really nice stairs and go to the top, and they've got a light that tells you when you can go. I mean, it really is. It really is pretty great. Let's go. You can go over here. Oh, that's back where they've got like playground area. Just do a little loop. So this is leaving Alligator Bayou and crossing over to like Oak Manor, the Magnolia Terrace area, and this is the little canal that they've got. But man, it's a perfect morning to go for a walk. Wow. The carriage rides go through here. This is kind of the carriage route. They go up and around the pool, and they come in around and they go down this area here, and it was really sweet to watch all the horses and everything doing the carriage rides. You could do some great family pictures here, couldn't you? And I feel like all these trees, like, you just want to like climb a tree. All these beautiful little spaces. Oh, look at this little space. You can look up. That is just so charming. And you've got all these huge magnolias in this like garden area. If you had some family pictures for your holiday, you could definitely do some beautiful pictures if you're staying here. Do they consider this one of the wedding venues? How sweet would it be to do a little garden wedding out here, and you could go to boat rides for like a little reception?
It'd be a good wedding venue.
I mean, just like a little garden wedding. Man, that would be so sweet. You know, this resort is a little bit spread out compared to the French Quarter, but the views really are just something.
Obviously, we'll see what happens staying at the Poly over the next few days, but this is probably my favorite resort.
It still is. It's still just something about it. It's just great. I wouldn't mind trying to check out a princess room again, like a royal room. I mean,
What's crazy is it goes that way, then
That's
French
where
Quarter's
they
right
come.
there. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a massive resort.
But now we've done the walk to French Quarter, and it is not bad
It's
at
not
all.
bad.
But you can take the boat to French Quarter, and they'll take you between both of them. So I don't think the boats are running this early though. If you want to go, I don't think they're running this early in the morning, are they?
Probably not. They probably started whenever Disney Springs opens. What time is that? 9?
9 or 10 maybe.
Yeah, it's probably when they start.
We've got some QR codes set up around, a little activity schedule, so you can utilize all the offerings.
Yeah, the bikes.
They've got the Surrey bikes. They've got regular bike rentals as well, not just like the Surrey bikes, but you can use the Surrey bikes. Now, if you're going to do the horse and carriage rides in the evening, you got to make sure you schedule those through the WDW Play like 60 days ahead of time. They said, because they were really booked up. But when you do show that schedule, it shows you across all resorts offering carriage rides. So that was really nice when we were trying to see if they had one, last minute. But
Yeah, we tried twice or 3 times.
but I know, but we keep forgetting. So we don't want y'all to forget.
I just couldn't. Like, I would.
Look at some coffee.
Yeah.
Just appreciate Disney's level of like immersion,
Mm-hmm.
like attention to detail and stuff. Like, it's just. Gets me all up in my feelings.
It does. Come here, buddy. We'll let her go. Since we're kind of being, we're being slow. So they've got, this is the medicine show, the arcade. This is just some of the, the building lining where the boats are, and you got the arcade in here, leads you to the lobby.
You want to go get breakfast this morning, or you just want to get coffee?
I wouldn't mind a little breakfast, maybe take some back to the kids. See if Mom wants some or something.
Kids can fend for themselves.
You better quit.
I'm just kidding.
This is the picture of the running trail for all those interested. Literally, we've just walked the running trail. This is all we did right there. So, perfect. And then here's your bike rentals and the regular bikes. And it's also where you take the river cruise over to Disney Springs and French Quarter. Hey, Dad, what if we go up through the lobby and then come down and, I mean, just look at just how sweet. I love this place. Can I just pull you up a rocking chair? Yesterday it was raining a bit, and I just thought, man, a rocking chair on the porch would have been really nice. This is nice. This is the lobby. And she is grand. All these little seating spaces, some window seats. Just take it easy. And the smell, they've got an amazing lobby smell, of course, but beautiful. So fun. We've had some cool kids' summer events here too, so it's been awesome. Then you walk into the gift shop. They've got stuff special for the resort. They've got, excuse me. They've got little specialties. This is some of the resort merchandise here. Look at how cute. Yeah, that's nice. And the beignet merch. That's the best part of being here, is you can go get a beignet really whenever you want. Hey, those are pretty. Is that baby on the right? Ooh, that's nice. And you got these. So fun. So fun. Come back and stay and do this again. I like this one. Oh, this sweet little ornament. some more beignets merch and all kinds of some goodies. It's just a lovely place. Okay. Now let's go find some coffee. This is the Riverside, and it's their bar. They had the fireplace. Oh, look. Who I found. I was wondering where he went to. Oh. I was looking for you. You found a nice little spot, didn't you?
Found all the vibes over here.
Golly. I do want to come back here again. It always is awesome. They'll have piano playing. It's pretty great. You could literally sit here all day. Hey, you want to go get a coffee? You ready? Go get coffee?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. We had a little walkabout. Yeah, just a little walkabout.
Wait, if I can
I feel like too they're constantly like keeping up the grounds and doing all the. I mean, here's boat rides. The restaurant here, and it was a busy place last night. It looked like it was full last night, so that was great to see. Everybody just eating here and partaking in the restaurant. All right, this is the dining hall. See about finding some coffee and get some to eat. See y'all later. Oh, if the kids want to go on the purple slide.
All right. Finally got us a raft. Floating the lazy river now.
Oh, there's a slide. Oh, Scarlett. I want to go on that one.
We need to go find some of them here in a minute.
Yeah. What is that?
We just
I don't know. It's pretty awesome.
just been vibing on the lazy river.
Yeah. We just been vibing on the lazy river. But
We're gonna take Gigi onto this little water spout thing and get her hair wet again.
I'm gonna go get a shower on this thing. Have we not made our way all the way around yet?
No, this thing's flying though.
Let's go under it.
Oh yeah.
No,
Oh, yeah.
no.
Oh, it's so cool! Why is that? Oh my
There for today. I mean, look at that.
What are you doing? I don't know. You're stepping on my toe.
Man, this thing is cool.
We're flying around
Stay
through here.
afloat.
We're just
Stay
about done with
afloat.
this thing. We're gonna go around again.
Hey, Mom. Maybe here in a little bit. We gotta get these kids on some slides. He's sinking into the tube.
Yeah, you look.
Here, literally.
Give me a margarita or a beer, and let me float this thing for the rest of the day.
We were just wake you up at the end.
Yeah. That's what we were saying. We're like, if it got a little too crazy, we could always just head to our resort and just start vibing there. So,
Yeah.
hey, buddy.
I mean, that's going to be the plan. As soon as the Polynesian's ready, we're out of here.
Hey, that line's not bad. Look, that's not bad.
Can I?
Oh, yeah.
Another one, depending on.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Good luck, Marvin. Hey, y'all doing the job, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Come on.
Definitely worth the wait.
Hey, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with us. This is day 3. Just an awesome day. We had the perfect morning hanging out at Riverside. We just wanted to show you guys around, and it is just one of our favorite places to go. From there, we had packed up and went to Blizzard Beach. We didn't get tons at Blizzard Beach, but we had a great time. There were storms rolling in and out, so we were just hanging out, catching a wave, catching a lazy river ride. But y'all, we've got some crazy Disney magic coming up. Really, phase 2, phase 3 of our trip is getting underway. Like, comment, subscribe. We are so happy y'all are here, and we can't wait to show you some more. Bye, y'all.
This is just pure, straight up Disney magic. Is what